Ma'am, you can start. Hello.
Okay. Mhm. Hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to all of you in Arifinkidz. So how are you all? This is our second class now. A very good evening to all of you. Many of you have joined already. A very good evening to all of you. So how are you all? Fine, ma'am. Okay, very good. So last day, we have learned about number system now. So let's learn today some new thing. But many people are still joining. Okay, very good. Hello. Yes, I'm fine. I'm also fine. And how are you all? Actually, temperature is increasing, no? So keep hydrated yourself. पानी पीते रहना है हमेशा, इतना गर्मी है. So let's see आज हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं. Okay? Just a second. So see, today our topic is computation operation. Okay. पता है, and you know, there are so many questions will come from this computation operation, and this is Swarnali ma'am. Okay. And so let's learn together this computation and operation, and let's see that what questions will exactly come in International Maths Olympiad question. Okay. So let's see what is computation operation. You know, this is a very important. Okay, it's fine. And just the main key concepts in computation operations are, you all know about that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and now you are in class 4, so the factors, multiples, and BODMAS rule are also included here. Okay, so let's solve some question, and with the solving question, and we will learn the more things. Okay, so let's see our first question. So this is the first question. So let's read the question first. In a box, there are 397 apples and 474 oranges. So how many apples should be added in the box so that the counting of both the fruits will be equal? That we have to find out. Okay. And we have 4 options here: 69, 96, 82, and 77. So which would be the right one? That we have to find out. So first try to solve this. So try to solve this, then I will show you the answer. Okay. Answers are coming very good. Some say 69, some 96. Udakar, I am fine. Very good. Some say 677. Okay, so let's see the answer first. You see, we have 397 apples. Okay, 397 apples and 474 oranges. So what we have to do? We have to add something here. The option, between the option, we have to add some number so that the number would be equal to oranges, because you see we have 474 oranges. That means oranges, number of oranges are more than apple. Oranges ज़्यादा है, apples कम है, तो क्या करना है? We have to add something with apples to get 474 oranges. Okay, so we have 397 apples. So for 474, we have to make. So what we have to do? Just we have to add one thing, one option only. So how can you get your answer so fast? Let me tell you. First, you see our option is 69. So just add the ones place digit. Okay, 9 and 7. Whenever you add 9 and 7, what you will get? You get what? 16. That means in ones place we get 6. So that means it's not be our option. Just we have to check the ones place only. So let's cut out this option. Now let's move on. 96. So whenever we add 6 and 9, from 96 and 7, 6 and 7 will get 13. 3 at ones place. That means this is not be the answer. So let's cut out this option too. Now the next one is 82. So here we have in ones place 2. So whenever we add 7 and 2, we'll get 9. So it would not be possible. So that means 82, it's not our answer. So the last option 77, it must be our answer. So let's check it. Whenever we add 7 with 7, we get at ones place 14. We get 14. That means in ones place we have 4. So it must be our answer. So let's add 397 and 77 and is 474. Okay. So this is the answer. D, option D is the right one, is 77. Very good. All of you have done right, is 77. Okay. So whenever you have option based questions, such a big numbers, so what is the trick? Just add the ones place digit. Okay. So that you can get an idea about this, the ones place, and you will get your answer very fast. Okay. So it's 77. Answer D. Very good. Very good. All of you have done right. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Very good. So many answers. Wow. Very good. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Our next question here is, you see, Sneha bought 8 bags of blue balls and 6 bags of white balls. Each bag had 9 balls in it. Which expression could he use to find the total number of balls he bought? Okay. So this is our question. So we have to find out which would be the right expression. And here we have 4 expressions. So we have to choose which would be the right one. So first, try to solve this. Option C is the right one. Okay, many answers. Already I got so many answers. So let's check the answer first. You see, blue balls, 8 bags of blue balls, and each bag had 9 balls. That means blue balls is 9 into 8. And white balls would be, because there are 6 bags of white balls and each bag had 9 balls. That means white balls would be 9 into 6. Okay. So now what we have to do? Total number of balls we have to find out. So for that, what we have to do? Just we will 9 into 8 plus 9 into 6. That we have to do. We have to add the total number. But here we have to find out just expression only. So for that, what we have to do? Just we have to write the expression, and that is the 9 into 8 plus 6, because Here is 9, here is 9, and whenever we took common 9, it will just only left 8 plus 6. So it would be the answer 9 into 8 plus 6. So that means C is the right one. Very good. C is the right one. Very good. Very good. C, not D. C is the right one. Very good. Many of you have given the right answer. 9 into 8 plus 6. 9 into, because I already told you blue balls is 9 into 8 and white balls, number of white balls is 9 into 6. So that means we have to, for total, what you have to do, just add 9 into 8 plus 9 into 6. And from both sides, you can see 9 is same, 9 is common. So we can take 9 common. So, and left 8 plus 6. So it would be the answer 9 into 8 plus 6. Okay, very good. Is option C. Someone is asking, Shunil Panda. He's asking, ma'am, can you explain once more that question 2, answer 1, can't understand the question's answer. Question number 1, are you asking about question number 1 once again? Okay, for you just, I will explain once again, okay? Someone is asking about question number 1, so I will explain once again, okay? So question number 1 for you once again. You see, here is question number 1. We have 397 apples and 474 oranges, okay? That means oranges, number of oranges is more than number of apples. So what we have to do, our task is we have to do equal. So for equaling the number of fruits, then what we have to do, we have to add some number with 397, and for that we will add here 77 only. Whenever we add 77 with 397, we'll get 474. Okay, so that the number of fruits would be equal. That is the question. So that's why we add 77 with 397. Okay, got it? Hope you understood. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's see question number 2, and question number 2 you already have solved. Okay, so you see, it's question number 2 is so easy, na? Blue balls is 9 into 8 and white ball is 9 into 6. So just what we have to do, for here is asking total number of balls she bought. So for that, what you have to do, just we will add 9 into 8 plus 9 into 6. We have to add the total, but here we don't need to do the multiplication, because here, what is the reason? Because they want in the question expression only. So that is why we wrote the question in this way. And here 9 and 9 is same. So we'll take 9 common here and 8 plus 6 left. So that's why this is our answer, 9 into 8 plus 6. Okay, answer C. So now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 3. So try to solve this. Aditi read a book of 252 pages in a week. She read same number of pages each day. How many pages did she read each day? Read each day. So that we have to find out. And we have 4 options, which would be the right one that you have to find out first. Then I will tell you the answer. And so easy question. Aditi read a book of 252 pages in a week. So, and she read same number of pages each day. So, how many pages did she read each day? That you have to find out only. So, try to solve this first. It's so easy. Chalo. Option D. Option D. Wow, so many answers are coming. Yes, very good. So, what would be the answer? 250 by 7 because in 1 week there are 7 days. So we have to divide 252 by 7 only. Okay. So we can find out each day 252 by 7 and it would be 36. And here in option D we have 36. So our answer is 36. Very good. Very good. It's 36. Division. We have to divide 252 by 7 and it's D. Very good. It's option D. Very good. All of you have done correct. Right. Very good. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Hope you understood. Okay. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. One more. Now the next question. Here is our question is, in a city, there are 1585 children and 2800 men. The total population of the city is 6280. What is the population of women in the city? That we have to find out. So, wanna try to solve this first? So, then try to solve this. Then I will tell you the answer. It's so easy. Okay, let me help you. There are 1585 children and 2800 men. And the total population is given here. And just we have to find out the population of women. So what we have to do? Just we have to add children and men, number of children and number of men. And then we have to subtract from total number. And then we'll get women. That's all. So it's very easy. So just do this operation in a good way. That we have to do only. 1585 plus 2800 and then we have to subtract it from 6280. So many answers are coming. It's very good. C 1895. Okay, so check this. Have you done right or wrong? You see 6280 minus 4385 and it's 1895. Very good. Your answer is ekdam correct. Very nice. It's C 1895. Very good. It's C. Not A. Some says A, but not A. C is 1895. In this way, you have to solve. Check the answer and write down in your copy. Okay. It's C 1895. Very good. Very good. First addition, second subtract. Yes, first addition, obviously first addition. In BODMAS rule, you know na, just first we have to do always addition. Yes, Sunil Panda, map it so easy. Yes, that's why I've given na, so that you can solve it so fast. 1895. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now, the next question here is this type of question. And in Olympiad exam, so many times you will get, get this type of question. Okay. You see, if the given values are true, then find out the value of ice cream. That we have to find out. Here you can see our first, here is given 1 ice cream plus 1 flower vase. Okay. Plus apple is equals to 266. And here is given that a flower vase plus apple is equals to 155. So we have to find out what is the value of ice cream. Okay. How to do this? It's so easy. It's 266 and we already know it's 155. So that means for the value of ice cream, what you have to do? Just you have to subtract 155 from 266. That's all. And it's 111. That is the answer. 111. So C would be the answer. Answer C is 111. Okay. Wow, see, 111. Very good, very good, very good. It's 111. Correct. Just we have to put the value only and subtract. Is C is 111. Very good. Okay, it's so easy. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now, this is a wonderful question for you because here I gave you some clues, and by the help of these clues, you have to find out which would be the answer. Okay. Identify number using the given clues. So what are the clues? Read the clues and try to solve this question. And then I will tell you the answer. Okay. So you have to identify the numbers. So many answers are coming. So let's see how to solve this question. Okay. Here is saying that I am a 4-digit number. And here you see the 4 option, all the options are saying that all the numbers are 4-digit number. So we have to check the next clue. Next clue is all my digits are different. And you can see that in all options, all the digits are different. So what do we have to do? Let's check the next clue, and it's they add up to 20. But so we have to add all the digits and it will take so much time. So what we have to do? We have to check the next clue. And next clue is saying that my hundreds digit is double the ones digit. Okay, so let's do it first. My hundreds digit is double the ones digit. So you can see the first in the option, here is 7 and here is 4. So let's eliminate this. Now next, it's not possible. Now here next option is 9, 2, 3, 6. 6 is ones place and 2 is 100 place. So let's eliminate this option 2. Now let's move on to the next option, and here is 2864. So 4 is at ones place and 8 is at 100 place. And here you can see 4 into 2 is 8. So that means it could be our answer. So now let's check the last one. And here you see is 2963. So it's also not possible because 3 into 3 is 9. So let's eliminate this option too. So it would be our answer. So let's check the last clue. They add up to 20. Is it right or wrong? So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So that means it is the answer. So it would be the answer. Answer C is 2864. Okay? It's C. Very good. It's 2864. Very good. Very good. Right. 2864. It is the answer. Option C is the right one. 2864. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now this question is here. Question number 7. Each letter, okay, let me read the question first. Each letter represents a different digit. The same letter represents the same digit. The digits A and B respectively are, there are 4 options here, which would be the right one that we have to find out here. 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3. So which would be the right one? You can see the question now. A into 6, and where answer would be A, B, B, A. So try to solve this. 2, 3, 2, 3. Answer D. Someone saying I don't know. Okay. 4, 3. So let me tell you the answer. Many of you have given the answer already. Some some didn't understand, and some are giving the answer. So I don't know, ma'am. Okay. So let me tell you the answer. Here we have, it's quite difficult, but not so difficult. Okay. You see the digits A and B respectively. That means, well, here you can see the 4 options. So पहला जो है वो A and then next वाला B. A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, don't get confused in this. A, B, A, B, A, B. Now the first thing is they are saying that whenever we multiply 6 by A, we will get A at where? At ones place. So it would be so easier to do then. So first option here is 3, 2. So we will take 3 because 3 as A is 3 in the first option. So whenever you multiply 3 and 6, we'll get 18. So is 8 at ones place? That means it not be possible. So let's eliminate this. Okay. Now let's take the next one. Here 5 and 4. So we'll take 5 because we just multiply 5 and 6 and check that we get A, I mean 5 or not at ones place. So 5 into 6 is 30. That means we'll get 0 at ones place. So it is not be possible. So let's eliminate this too, because here our option, in this option, A value of A is 5. So that is why let's eliminate this option too. Now, let's move on to the next option. Here is 4, 3. So, let's take 4. So, 4 into 6, whenever you do 4 and 6, so we'll get 24. That means 4 will get at ones place 4. So, let's keep it this option. And now the last option, let's take it is 2 and 3. So, we'll take 2. 2 into 6, whenever you multiply, we'll get 12. That means 2 at ones place. So, it could be our answer. So that means let's keep is these two options between C and D. Which would be our answer? That would be that we have to find out. C and D. Because it could be our answer, it also. So you see, so let's take first 4. So whenever we multiply 6, 4, 4, 4 into 6, we'll get 6 into 4 is 24. So let's write 4 here and 2 become carry. And whenever we multiply 6 by 4 again, we'll get 24. But we have to add the carry to 24 plus 2 is 26. So let's write 6 here. But you see value of B here is 3. But here we got 6. So that means this is a wrong option. So let's eliminate this option too. Okay. So now 2 and 3 must be our answer. So let's put the value here. 2, 2, 2 into 6. And whenever you multiply 2, 2, 2 by 6, you will get 1, 3, 3, 2. And you see here value of B is 3. So is A, B, B, A. The same thing, A, B, B, A. That means 2, 3 would be the answer. Okay, answer D. Option D is the right one, 2, 3. Okay. So understood? So did you understand? In this way, you have to solve the question, okay? Because ones place is very important. Because they are saying whenever you multiply AAA by 6, you will get at ones place A. That means the same digit. So easily you can find out your answer. Okay. So now let's move on. Hope you understood. So now let's move. Very good. Yes, ma'am. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. It's so easy question. Now try to solve this. 4 is equals to 16. Then what is the value? Here would be 7 is to what? Can you find it? 4, 16, then 7 क्या होगा? Yes, very good. It's so easy, na? It's 49 because 4 into 4, 4 square means 4 into 4 is 16. So 7 into 7 would be 49. That's all. So our answer is C, 49. Yes, yes, very good. It's 49. Very good. C, 49. 49. And 4 into 4 is 16 and 7 into 7 is 49. That is why it's 49. Okay. So this is the answer. Whenever you get this type of question, it's so easy to do. Just divide 16 by 4 and it's 4. So we know, understand, na? And then just you got the answer, that is 4 into 4. That means you have to multiply 7 by 7 to get 49. So it would be 49. Fine. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Just you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Here our question is. So try to solve this first. 1, 3, 7, 13. And then we have 3 blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks. First, you have to fill in the blanks. Then I will tell you the answer. Which would be the answer? 4 options. Which would be the right one? That you have to find out first. So try to solve this. Some different answers are coming. So let's check the answer. You see, 1, 3, 7, 13. So our first here number is in the series 1, then 3. So difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Okay. Now, whenever you get this type of question, always check the differences. Okay. You could get your answer in differences. There is something different. But in the way you can find out your answer. First, try to find out the differences. So you see, difference between 1 and 3 is 2. Now the next is 3 and 7. So it's 4. Now, next difference is 7 and 13 is 6. Okay. So you can find out any pattern. Yes, increasing by 2. Very good. Increasing by 2. You see 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So next difference would be 6 plus 2. That means 8. 6 plus 2. Whenever we add 6 with 2, we'll get 8. So next difference would be 8. So 13 plus 8 would be 21. Okay. So now the next difference would be 8 plus 2 because it's increasing by 2, the differences. So 8 plus 2 is 10. That means it would be 10. So 21 plus 10 would be 31. Very good. Now next difference would be 10 plus 2, 12. So it's 12. 31 plus 12 is 43. So next difference would be 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay. So we have to add 14 with 43. So 43 plus 14 is 57. So it is the answer. Option A is the right one. Okay. 21, 31, 57. Option A is the right one. Got it? So it's 21, 31, 57. That's all. It is increasing by 2. So hope you understood. So now let's move on. Let's solve some more questions. It's also very easy question. Try to solve this. You have to replace only one question mark. You see 5, 20, 30, then 25 and 50. And you have to find out this question mark only. C, 75. Okay. Very good. Some says 8, A, C. So let's see the answer first. 5 plus 20 is 25. You see, 5 plus 20, whenever you add, you get 25. And 20 plus 30 is 50. In this way, we have to go. Okay. So that means the last option, 25 plus 50, and it must be 75. Okay. So it is 75. So option C is the right one. Is 75. Okay. Hope you understood. It's so easy, na? 75. This type of question you always get in Olympiad exam. Is 75. 5 plus 20 is 25 and 20 plus 30 is 50. So we have to add 25 plus 50 and it's 75. Very good. Is C. C is 75. Very good. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve our next question. Now here is this type of question. So try to solve this. Here you can see. Here, a rectangle is 12 times as much as value of a diamond. So, what is the value of a rectangle minus 2 diamond that we have to find out. And if also one thing has given here, 1 diamond plus 18 is equals to 59. So, can you find this? Can you solve this question? Okay, so let's see the answer. Here you can see that 1 rectangle is equals to is 12 times as much as value of a diamond. That means 1 rectangle is equals to 12 into diamond. I mean 12 diamonds. So value of 1 rectangle is equals to 12 diamond. Okay. It is saying that 1 rectangle is equal to 12 diamond. Got it? So I wrote here only 1 rectangle is equals to 12 diamond. Now you can see that we have to find out 1 rectangle minus 2 diamond. We already got that 1 rectangle is equals to 12 diamonds. So let's put the value here only. Instead of rectangle, we can put the value 12 diamond. Okay. So 12 diamond minus 2 diamond. So it's 10 diamond. It's so easy. Got it? It's 10 diamond. Now, what do we have to do? Just next thing. Here you see 1 diamond plus 18 is equals to 59. Also there is given in the question. 1 diamond plus 18 is equals to 59. So value of the 1 diamond is equals to 59 minus 18. And 59 minus 18 is 41. Okay. So just we have to put the value of 1 diamond here. So 10 into 41 and is 410. Okay. In this way, we have to solve the question. So it's 410. And D would be the right one. Answer D is 410. Okay. 410. So did you understand? So yes, say yes if you understood this whole process. So it's 410. Okay. D. I explained all the things. If you have any query, anything you want to ask, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, then fine. Very good. You people are so talented. Very nice. So let's move on. Is 410. Option D is the right one. Priyani is saying no. What is no? I didn't get your point. You want to ask me something, so you can chat. Write in the chat box. Ma'am, I can't understood. Okay, some 3. Just once again for you, once again I will explain. Okay, many of you are saying that you didn't understand. So just watch carefully. Okay, for you once again I will explain all the things, all the details. Okay, watch carefully. First, you see, read the question. Whenever you get this type of question, it's very important. Value, here you can see for written in the question that value of one rectangle is 12 times as much as value of a diamond. Okay, so one rectangle is equals to 12 diamond, because in the question they is saying that one rectangle is equal to 12 diamond. So 12 diamond I wrote here. Okay, fine. Now the question here is one rectangle minus 2 diamond. One rectangle minus 2 diamond. Got it? So here you can see one rectangle, value of one rectangle is equal to 12 diamonds. So we have to put 12 value of one rectangle here. 12 diamond minus 2 diamond. Okay, you can understand now. You 12 diamond minus 2 diamond, and that is 2 minus 12 is 10 diamonds. So we have 10 diamonds now. But here is also given that 1 diamond plus 18 is equal to 59. And by this, we very fast, we can find out the value of 1 diamond. So 1 diamond is equals to 59 minus 18, and it's 41. Okay, it is 41. So now what we have to do? Just put the value of diamond. We got the value is 41. So we have to put the value of diamond here only, because we have to find out this question. Na? Here our question is one rectangle minus 2 diamond. So 10 diamond. Now let's put the value of one diamond is 41 into 10, and is 410. Okay, it's 410. It is the answer. In this way we have to solve the question. So now let's move on. Hope you understood. It's so easy. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Another question is here. Find the number using given clue. Okay. So here there are so many clues are there, and you have to find out the number. So try to solve this first, then I will tell you the answer. ऐसे टाइप क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं ओलंपियाड एग्जाम में. सो पहले try to solve this. Find the number using given clue. So let's see the answer. Then you can check you did right or wrong. First, here the clue, first clue is I am a 4-digit number, and all the numbers here are 4-digit number. A, B, C, D, all options are saying 4-digit number. Now, the next is digit at my 100 place is common factor of 5 and 7. Okay, common factor of 5 and 7. Do you know about factors and multiples? It's so easy. Common factor means 5 and 7 are prime number. So that means they have only 5 has the factors is 1 and 5, and 7 is 1 and 7. That means the common factor would be 1 and 1, only 1. Okay. So their common factors would be only 1, because 5 has 1 and 7 has 1. So that means the common factor would be 1. So we can use this clue. So let's check here. My 100 place is common factor of 5 and 7. So let's see it. Which number has in 100 place 1? You see, in the B and C, there is saying 5. So let's cut out these two options. So must be these two would be the answer. A and D. Here we have 3139 and 2136. Between these two numbers, which would be the right one, we have to find out. Because it at 100 place, there is 1, and 1 is the common factor of 5 and 7. So let's go to the next clue. Okay, read the next clue. Digit at my ones place is 3 times the digit at my thousandth place. Okay, so digit at my ones place, here is ones place, here is ones place. You see, digit at my ones place is 3 times the digit of my thousand place. And here is in thousand place 3, and here is 3. You see, whenever we multiply 3 by 3, we get 9. And whenever we multiply 2 by 3, we get 6. So that means this could be this also possibilities, two numbers. So what we have to do? Let's read the next clue. Next clue is digit at my tens place is 2 more than the digit at my 100 place. Okay. So my tens place digit here is 3, and here is also 3, and here is 1. So whenever we add 2 with 1, we get 3. That means this also, these clues in these two number, ये दो clues भी हो रहा है. So क्या करें? Let's read the next clue. Last clue. Last is digit at my thousand place is the smallest prime number. So let's check it. Thousand place, and is thousand place. Here is 2, and here is 3. So do you know which is the smallest prime number? And it's 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. So it would be the answer 2136. D is the answer 2136. So sometimes you have to read so many, all the clues for the answer. Okay. So 2136. It is the answer. Got it? 2136. 2 is the smallest prime number. So D is the right answer. Very good. 2136 D. Hope you understood. So how is all the questions? Today we will solve many questions, many interesting questions. What is prime number? Prime number. Okay, do you know about prime number? Prime number is the numbers whenever we cannot divide this number, divisible. Okay, just like 2, 3, 5, 7, there is not any factors of that number. 2, 3, 5, 7, we cannot divide. 3, 5, 7. Okay, in this type of numbers are called prime numbers. Next class, I will tell more details about prime number. Okay, so hope you enjoyed our today's class because so many questions we have solved. So, wanna try to solve one more question? So, our answer is 2136. Wanna try to solve more question? So, here is another question for you. Try to solve this. Okay, so try to solve this. This type of question in Olympiad exam will come so much. Okay, so try to solve this. Then I will tell you answer. No more problems. Why? Difficult questions. I've gave you so many simple question too, and difficult question, simple question, all question will come now in Olympiad exam. So Nakshi is saying, ma'am, I know what is prime numbers. Okay, that's good. Very good. It's 10. Fact. Sanjukta Das. Okay, let me show you the answer. You see, one bunch of grapes is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Okay, let's watch carefully. One bunch of grapes is equals to 4 apples. So that means Anshita bought 3 bunch of grapes. Okay, three grapes. So that means 3 grapes is equals to 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, 12 apples. Now, next thing, you can see 1 banana is equal to 1 apple plus 2 mangoes. And here, Anshita bought 3 bananas. If she bought 3 bananas, that means 3 bananas is equals to 3 apples, because 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 apples, and 3 into 2 is 6. 6 mangoes. Okay. So just our question is how much more apple than a mango did she buy? That is the question. So we have 12 plus 3. How many apples we have now? 5 apples. And how many mangoes we have now? 6 mangoes. So just we have to subtract 6 from 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. So our answer would be 9. Okay, not 10. Or you have said 10, but 10 is not right. 9 would be the right answer. Okay, 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 is the answer. C would be the answer. Okay. Later we will solve some more question of this type so that we can understand many more. What is factor? Okay, you want to know about factor? Just one second. Wait. I will tell you first. पहले बताओ ये वाला क्वेश्चंस जो मैंने सॉल्व किया है समझ गए क्या? Did you understand? Okay. Yes, ma'am, is 9. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now for you, is 9. Now for you, 40. Let's take one number, okay? 42, for example, okay? Whenever 42, we multiply 6 into 7. We get 42, na? 6 into 7 is 42. So 6 and 7 are factors, okay? 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. Did you understand? 6 and 7 are the factors of 42. Similarly, if we have 35. So when we multiply 5 and 7, whenever we multiply 5 into 7, we'll get 35. So 5 and 7 are the factors of 35. Okay. Whenever we multiply 5 and 7, we'll get 35. 35 would be the product. And these two numbers are called the factors. Okay. 5 and 7 are called factors of 35. So whenever you multiply two numbers and you get a product, multiply the two numbers. So those numbers are called factors to get the products. Okay. Yes, I know time is over, but someone is asking and I have to give the answer now. Okay. So that is all. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have any other query, kindly ask me. Ma'am, I couldn't understand number 13. Okay. Okay, bye anyone. So for Bhumika Pradhan is asking that she didn't understand. So for you once again, okay. Question number 13 for you once again, just watch carefully. You see one bunch here, our question is equals to 4 apples. So 1 grapes is equal to 4 apples and 1 banana is equal to 1 apple plus 2 mangoes. But Anshita bought 3 grapes. So that means we have to find out 3 grapes. 3 grapes is equals to what would be 4 into 3? 1 grapes is equal to 4. That means 3 grapes is equal to 3 into 4. And it's 12. Okay. Now the next is 1 banana is equal to 1 apple plus 2 mangoes. And Vanshita bought 3 bananas. So that means 3 bananas is equals to 3 apples plus 6 mangoes, because 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So now you can understand easily that 12 plus 3 is 15 apples right now. And how many mangoes there are? 6 mangoes. So 15 minus 6 is 9. So our answer would be 9. Okay, hope you understood. So that is all for the day. Bye-bye. See you in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Okay, bye-bye. And keep hydrated yourself. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night, beta. Good night, all.